Welcome back to the final chapter of our exploration of Vietnam's natural wonders. In this part, we will dive into the depths of Vietnam's marine biodiversity, uncover the country's dedication to conservation, and explore the unique beauty of its islands, particularly the Paracel and Spratly Islands. Vietnam's coastline, stretching over 3,260 kilometers, is a treasure trove of natural beauty and biodiversity. The country's thousands of islands, from the picturesque Con Dao archipelago to the remote Spratly Islands, offer a diverse range of landscapes, ecosystems, and cultural experiences. The turquoise waters of the East Sea, South China Sea, are home to vibrant coral reefs, diverse marine life, and important fishing grounds. However, Vietnam's maritime sovereignty faces challenges, particularly in the Paracel, Hong Sa, and Spratly, Truong Sa, Islands, where overlapping claims have led to tensions and disputes. Vietnam has consistently affirmed its sovereignty over these islands based on historical evidence and international law. The Vietnamese people have a deep connection to the sea, and their livelihoods and cultural identity are closely intertwined with the marine environment. Vietnam is committed to protecting its maritime resources and promoting sustainable development in the East Sea. Vietnam is committed to preserving its natural heritage and promoting sustainable development. The country has established a network of national parks and protected areas, covering a significant portion of its land and marine territory. These protected areas are home to a wide range of ecosystems, from tropical rainforests to coral reefs, and provide habitat for many endangered species. Vietnam is also actively involved in international conservation efforts, such as the Convention on Biological Diversity and the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. The government and NGOs are working together to raise awareness about environmental issues and promote sustainable practices in tourism, agriculture, and other sectors. Vietnam's natural beauty is a testament to the power and resilience of nature. From the towering mountains to the fertile plains, from the bustling cities to the serene countryside, and from the vibrant coral reefs to the lush rainforests, Vietnam is a land of endless possibilities. As we continue to explore and appreciate this remarkable country, let us also remember our responsibility to protect and preserve its natural heritage for future generations.